Okay, this is a program I wrote a long time ago. It's incredibly buggy and it has issues. It took me a while to get it started because it needs microphones to be plugged in. Anyway, before I talk too long, they can communicate via to each other. I've just got the sound from the monitor that's close to the microphone, and so each of these instances can hear itself and the other instance. Occasionally they will send out a broadcast signal and they will find it. So this one over here, for example, is called call sign 1, and it's heard call sign 2, but it doesn't know whether or not call sign 2 can hear it, so it gets a question mark here. Call sign 1, this instance, hasn't heard that one. All this data here is all rubbish and was just things I was going to do, but never got around to. And you can see now call 2 has heard call 1, and it knows call 2 can hear call 1 can hear call 2, and now just now it knows that call 1 can hear 2, so they can both hear each other. You can connect to someone by going connect, and it sends a connection request and then a connection acknowledgement. Forget all the spelling mistakes, and now you can have a point-to-point communication between the two. So you can say, hello, this is a test. And the other person can reply, and then they can disconnect from this link. You can also send QST, so you can send to everyone. Testing 2, test 2. The speed of it is 9600 baud. It should be able to fit into about 9 kilohertz bandwidth. That uses OFDM, uses QPSK, uses some Reed-Solomon stuff. It's pretty bad. It was written in Ball and C Builder, and porting it to any other system, something like Qt would be pretty difficult. Well, getting all this functionality, the actual modem probably isn't that bad, but I did some. It was when I was learning OFDM, so it wasn't great. But yeah, that's the idea. It does have the ability that if say call 1, which is over here, hears someone else that call 2 can't hear, you can talk to that person via call 1. It was just something I never finished. The options. There's all these various delays of users, because it's a is it aloha where everyone contests for the same channel, so you have to have back off times and timeouts and things like that. It does have a push to talk, so the settings on it at the moment were the ones that worked for me on an old-fashioned UHF PRS handheld transceiver. So this was about as quick as I could get the modem, the radio to transmit the line to become the channel to become stable enough to send it and finish transmitting. So it's pretty quick. It was my attempt at making a burst modem. Yeah, I'll put the link to this software online, but the source code it's really too embarrassing to put up. But yeah, if you want to have a go at it, give it a go. Just remember, it's really difficult to get these things started. If there's no sound, no microphone or speakers, and the program just doesn't start. It seems to just put an exclamation mark. So you'll have trouble probably even just getting this thing to work. But anyway, that's something interesting.